Welcome to Mahatma Gandhi University, located in the picturesque landscape of Meghalaya. Our interesting range of programs provides an opportunity to choose the knowledge and skills as per the need. We have state-of-art infrastructure with fully Wi-Fi campus. The campus provides smart classrooms, well-furnished hostels, digital library, and fully equipped labs. Students have access to large acre sports complex, fully equipped gym, and music and culture center.
We also provides various scholarship to students. Admission open now. Just walk into the campus or give a call.
Ka Jing hasilanter ka surok ba sauline haki benta ka sor Nongpoh habapoi ka ayom liur kalapenlong UMLA ka Nongpoh constituency ba Mayral bonds banbu ka Kylli hayeng dorbar thau ain ka jella Haka khatsan tarik unailur ka ba uti UMLA ula keno baka snong lang kadait bat haki weki benta dangshan la sakhi bakala don ka Jing kabala penthut bat penduk nong yiki babun ki nong snong Haka thain Nongpoh constituency. Uba Mayral bon ulabu ka Jing Kylli ru babalay syam lasna bha yaki nala habakat kum ka Jing penmang tengka ka ba nriu kulur jong usnam arhajar khat phra bat khat khandai penban kalawan ra ka Jing jash lay da ka ba ula kentu yu Myntri badai pej Baudai ban ptha iki kontraktor baki dei ban sna klo yeki nala ban penlait nakite ki Jing jash lay kiba juja tang hari bhoi district. Nakaliang Myntri uba preston tensong haba jubab ekate ka Jing Kylli uloong bayakane ka kam la IT batch shaka National Highway Authority of India kaba nadu jorabat ter hadu umyam bad ka Jing penmang pisa kaba nriu klor ru kadei ka balapej da ka Ministry of Road Transport. Ula jubab ru baka Jing thot ban snabha yeki nala ru kadei ka Jing pen kanria jaka bad ki kam badangsa onra shaka joint meeting ban salongshen.
Thank you, sir, for allowing me to raise a 0-hour notice under Rule 49A of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business of Meghalaya District Assembly, which come out in newspaper Clipping Kenjatshai, dated 21st August 2021, under the caption Ang Sujur Slap Shlei Nongpoh Berten Kiporsnong Ban Ujor Sha Kesorkat, sir. So with regard to the water logging in Nongpoh town, not only in Nongpoh town, even in Bernihat, even in Umling, even in Jorabat, and the whole stretch of National Highway 6, this has been witnessed in the past also, and even today also. So this is not new, as I have said. Even in today's newspaper also, if you will check in Nongpoh, you will see a news clipping that has been carried that the water logging right in front of the entry point at Umling. It has become like a pond, which has become a huge problem for the commuters. At the same time, for those petty shop keeper in Umling also. Now this issue, through this 0-hour notice, because we know that the rules said that we have to raise any issues which occur presently. This issue, it happened even yesterday also. That's why it is concerned, especially during the monsoon season. Sir, with regard to this issue, I have been in touch with the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister since 2018 in charge of the PWD road. And I'm thankful to him that he has wrote personally a letter to the Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways, dated PTCM PWDR 16/2018/1, 4th December 2018. I would like to express on record my sincere thanks to the Honorable Deputy CM for writing this letter to the Ministry, and in 2019, the sanction has been accorded for more than 6 crore for the construction of drains, slab drains, culvert within Nongpoh town, in Umling, in Bernihat, Umsning, and other places along the national highway. The work has been allotted. The work have started also, sir. But the reason known to everybody is that they give reason due to pandemic of COVID-19 that the work has been stopped till now. So I would like to draw the attention of the government, the attention of the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, that to take this issue very seriously, especially with this incident happened on the 30th of August 2021, which is very sad to know that after that heavy rain lash on the evening of 30th August, we have seen a heavy waterlogging, a severe waterlogging in Umlangknaj village of Nongpoh town. There it is a severe waterlogging, which include not only here, the whole part of Nongpoh town, even in Umling, in Bernihat and other places along the national highway. The very reason is due to the improper construction of the drain within the stretch of the national highways. Every monsoon comes, the shopkeepers, the household, even the commuters in the national highway, it is a huge problem to each and every one of us. In this incident on the 30th of August 2021, sir, the very sad incident is that the PDS, the rice supplied through the public distribution system of Pradhan Myntri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana, which is approximately 3,500 kilo, has been spoiled, has been waste because they kept in the community hall. Due to waterlogging, the whole area has been submerged and the whole rice is damaged. Many shop also has lost. Many of them, they are petty shopkeepers along the national highway. Sir, after that incident, personally myself, I have went to inspect and see the condition. I even advised the local village to write to the Deputy Commissioner. Maybe there is some relief from the dedicated DDMA fund in the district. But very unfortunate is that after the villages have met, appraised the district administration, they have to come empty-handed. I don't know which rules and parameter that doesn't allow in this kind of situation that relief cannot be given to these villages, even to re-allot, even though re-allot cannot be done through the supply department, but at the same time, some dedicated fund can be earmarked through DDMA. But irony is that nothing has happened, so I have personally helped them as much as I can on my capacity. My intention, sir, to bring this 0-hour notice to the government is that we have to get rid of this regular waterlogging within Nongpoh town. Because why only Nongpoh town? Why only Ribhoi? Why only Bernihat? Why only those village Umling will suffer from time to time due to incompetence of the firm or the contractor who are making this drain, the slab culvert, and so on. So I would like to urge the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge PWD to take note on this, as we have been taking serious note in the past. I would like to see that the drain will be properly made. The firm which has been allotted, the work which has been allotted, they have to complete it in time. At the same time, if they cannot complete, they have to be blacklisted, they have to cancel and to give to other firm which can do the work immediately. At the same time, sir, through this 0-hour notice, I would like to bring the attention of the government also that in future, if any kind of this incident, calamity happen, the dedicated fund through the DDMA, which is parked within the district administration, it has to be there as a relief to be given to the villages, to those affected family, and so on. At the same time, sir, I would like to urge the department to look into and to press for the speedy completion of the making of drains and culvert along the national highway, sir. Thank you so much for allowing me to raise this 0-hour notice. Thank you.
Mr. Speaker, sir, at the outset, I am very thankful to the Honorable MLA from Nongpoh, Mr. Mayral, who brought this 0-hour notice relating to the Khasi newspaper, as already indicated by him. Sir, yes, this is a long recurring issues, I should say, where every time when rainy season starts, waterlogging keep happening in few portions of the Nongpoh town, as well as some portion like Umling, Berihat, so on and so forth. Sir, just few clarification I would like to say here. As already mentioned by the honourable member from Nongpoh, yes, an amount of about 6 crores plus was sanctioned by the Ministry of Road Transport through National Highway Authority of India. Because this road, I would like to again mention here, the portion right from Jorabad up to this Umyam, it is being looked after by Nahai. Then what happened was the stretches, as I've already told, where the sanction was accorded, work order has been issued. But I think even the Honorable MLA, I would like to request him, few stretches, contractor could not start the work due to land issue. We do have this land problem everywhere, be it PHE, be it PWD. I'm just telling you because the land tenure system that we have, as of now, it's so difficult for the government or even the elected representative to step in. We do have a very, very serious issue on this. So, see, like, let me just mention few portions. What happened was, number one, utility shifting, LHS, left hand side and right hand side of the Nongpoh town is not possible. Why it is not possible? Because there is no other place to shift those utility which is already in existence. And then number two, some portion of drain is left on 26 plus 450 to 26 plus 735 right hand side at Nongpoh, just in front of the Deputy Commissioner's office. Again, we have problem due to the utility shifting. Then next, culvert at CH 29 plus 255 left hand side could not be started again due to land problem, where the landowner seems they are not willing even to touch maybe 1 feet or 2 feet of that portion where the drainage construction is supposed to be taken up. So we have PHE pipes also in the culvert, where we already taken up, in fact, with the with the department concerned to shift the pipeline, which is stretching all over this drainage portion, supposed to be taken up by the Nahai through their respective contractors. However, sir, I think as I said to you, these issues is a very prolonged and then identical issues which I keep receiving the complaint from the Honorable MLA. Once again, I just wanted, in short, I would like to assure him that next few days again I will call a meeting along with the Deputy Commissioner and the representative of the Nahai and with the PWD officials. We will sit down and we'll sort this problem out. Because as of today, as I said to you, as per the report we received, even that sanction amount of 6 crores still could not be utilized just because of these few issues which I have already indicated. So once again, sir, before I resume my seat, I would again request the honorable member from Nongpoh, you can meet me anytime, and then very soon I will also call a joint meeting right from the district administration and then Nahai and also with my department to sort it out this problem. With this few words, sir, I thank you once again.
Ya virus rutin, ya ketika rutin, sakat nuken ini empungnya. Ai ketika COVID kat kendai. Kanoy kun persya ya kini ke kelam.